Good morning, this is Mr. Drew, and welcome to IB Learning. Today, we will be explore how Earth absorbs the and emits radiation and how greenhouse gases play a role in regulating temperature. The sun emits energy in different forms, which we categorize the electromagnetic spectrum. So the sun produces various types of radiation, including ultraviolet or UV, visible light, and infrared or IR. These different types of light have different wavelengths and properties. So shorter wavelengths like UV carry more energy, while longer wavelengths like infrared carry less energy. Visible light falls in between and is the type we can see with our eyes. Not all radiation from the sun reaches Earth's surface. Some are absorbed or scattered by gases in the atmosphere, such as ozone, which absorbs most harmful UV rays. So the radiation that reaches Earth from the sun is mostly in the form of short wave energy, such as UV and visible light. When Earth absorbs short wave radiation, it warms up and re-emits energy as long wave infrared radiation, heat back into the atmosphere. Now, what is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is the process by which certain gases in the atmosphere trap heat, keeping Earth warm enough to sustain life. Let's break it down step by step. Number one, about 25% of the sun's shortwave radiation, mostly ultraviolet or UV, is absorbed by the ozone layer. And this is to prevent or preventing it from reaching the surface. Approximately 75% of shortwave radiation from the sun passes through the atmosphere of and reaches the Earth's surface, where it is absorbed by land and water. Earth absorbs this shortwave radiation and re-emits it as long wave infrared radiation or heat back towards space. And up to 85% of the re-emitted long wave radiation is absorbed by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases retain heat and prevent it from escaping into space. Trapped heat is radiated back to the surface, maintaining Earth's temperature and making life possible. So the greenhouse effect in a natural process that regulates Earth's temperature. Without it, Earth would be too cold for life. However, human activities are enhancing this effect. Think of Earth's surface like a greenhouse. Heat enters but is trapped inside, keeping temperature stable. When human activities such as burning fuels and deforestation release excessive greenhouse gases, more heat is trapped, causing global warming. The natural greenhouse effect versus the human enhanced greenhouse effect. Natural, a balanced system maintaining stable temperatures. Enhance, increased greenhouse gases trap more heat, leading to rising global temperatures, extreme weather, and melting ice caps. So a simple experiment can demonstrate the greenhouse effect by comparing a closed container exposed to sunlight and an open one. We can measure temperature differences, and the closed container simulates Earth's atmosphere, showing how trapped heat increases temperature. In conclusion, understanding how the greenhouse effect works in crucial in tackling climate change. While it is a natural process, human activities are intensifying it. By reducing emissions and protecting forests, we can help maintain Earth's delicate balance. And thank you for listening.